Hello, and welcome to Clowdr. This video is part of the Clowdr Experience series, a set of video resources to help you navigate and make the most of Clowdr. In this video, we'll share an overview of Clowdr's popular shuffle feature. Spontaneous conversations and randomized networking are made easy with Clowdr's shuffle queues. Connecting with other attendees is essential to a great conference experience. With Clowdr, shuffle queues can run between set times. As an attendee, you are able to join the queue, and when enough people are in a queue, you are automatically divided up and allocated to auto-generated shuffle rooms. Let's jump into a shuffle queue now. Once we're in a room, we can see the option to share a screen. We also have a text chat feature to the right. The target and maximum number of people per room is configurable. The allocation algorithm aims to place the target number of people in a room together, but will do fewer if not enough people are in the queue. If you are in the queue on your own for a while, you will be allocated to an existing room if that room has less than the maximum number of people. When a room ends, you will be taken back to the queue page and can rejoin to be allocated to a new room with new people. Shuffle queues can be used for mentoring circles, professional meet and greets, casual randomized networking, and much more. This concludes our overview of Clowdr's shuffle feature. Thank you for watching.